Hello everyone, today I will show that why I hate Xiaomi phones. I mean that they are really great value for money and even I use them all the time and their hardware is excellent for the money that they charge, but the MIUI sucks. Some apps are great like Mi Remote and Mi File Manager, but here are 5 reasons why I hate MIUI. First one is the notifications in MIUI. I use Google Keep a lot, but you will not get notifications for important reminders from Google Keep or any other message notification from Discord most of the times by default because of MIUI very strict battery saving techniques. It basically turns off most of the applications in the background. To enable it, you have to go to the settings, then manage apps, and then allow auto start, and in the battery restrictions you have to choose no restrictions. I have to do this for every app that is important and for which I want to receive notifications. Whereas on the other hand, for useless stuff from Xiaomi, you will get a lot of notifications from Mi Video, Mi Music, Mi Themes, etc. I mean, I don't even use these apps and I have to turn off notifications from these apps manually. For example, if I click on Mi Music, you can see that it is not even set up. I have never used Mi Music but still getting notifications by default. The second problem is Mi Store and Mi Security. You know we have Google Play and Google Play Protect that already scans apps while installing, and you can even turn off Google Play Protect if you want. Let me try installing an app called Caring Hands. Then after it is installed, Xiaomi Security scans it. I mean, I trust Google Play Protect more than Xiaomi. Then why it is scanning this? Basically to show ads at the end. And even if I click on more apps at the end, it opens Mi Store, which is again a useless store and has a lot of useless ads. By the way, you can turn off this ad at the end by watching this video if you want. I don't even download any apps from Mi Store, but recently I saw this notification about installing 2 apps from Mi Store and I was shocked. To see what is happening, I opened it and saw that apps like Truecaller were updating in the background from Mi Store. But I want Google Play Store update. I downloaded this app from Google Play Store. I mean, this seriously sucks and I don't even trust Mi Store at all. I don't know how to turn this off. Give suggestions in comments if you know how to turn this off. Third reason is that most of the MIUI apps suck. For example, in my browser, as soon as I open it, I get all the useless content. And there is a recent controversy that even if I turn on incognito mode, all my data and history in incognito mode is shared with Xiaomi. You can watch Technical Guruji video for more information. Then there is this Mi video player, and as soon as I open it, I see all this useless content. I mean, this is literally the default video player in my phone and it is showing this content. There was a time when I was debugging FPGA board in my lab and I was recording video of FPGA and then rechecking it. Then I played the video and kept my phone at side and ignored it for a while. And at the last of the video, these were the suggestions. I mean, this is the video that I am playing after recording from camera, and Xiaomi is even showing ads or useless videos here. And trust me guys, things like this are going to make you look a fool in public and they are gonna think that what the hell do you really watch. This point may be useless to many people, but still a considerable portion of people do it. In all the phones in the market, you can unlock your phone easily and root it and maybe use TWRP recovery as soon as you get it. But for Xiaomi, you have to apply your Mi account for a development account and then you have to wait for like 7 days. After 7 days, when you get the confirmation, you have to link your developer account and phone. Then you have to again wait for 15 days to unlock. And then only you can root your device or use a custom recovery. And there was a time when after 15 days, I unlocked my Redmi Note 5 Pro. And then I tried unlocking Redmi Note 7 Pro. It showed me that I have to wait for 1 month because I recently unlocked another phone with the same account. I mean, what the hell is wrong with Xiaomi here? Maybe they just don't want their users to shift to a good ROM like Pixel Experience ROM, because in that case they will lose people that they can actually show ads to. The other problem is lock screen wallpaper carousel. I mean, a lot of people might not find it annoying, but I really find it very annoying. By default, Xiaomi shows this lock screen wallpaper, which sometimes even contain inappropriate material according to me. I mean, Xiaomi, you can basically provide user option to turn it on, but why do you keep everything turned on by default? and to turn it off you have to actually go to the lock screen and then wallpaper carousel and then turn it off from here. Another thing is the MI cloud. When your phone sets up for the first time, they link a MI account with your phone and turn on auto sync by default, which means that all of your photos on your local device will also be stored on the MI cloud by default. You can easily turn it off from here if you want. I mean, Google also does the same thing with Google Photos, but it asks for the backup option and we have to enable it. And also I trust Google more in this case because Xiaomi has cloud servers in China where they are storing our data. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button as it will promote this video, and also share this video if you want other people to know that what is actually wrong with Xiaomi. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thanks once again.